guys, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I thought it'd be fun to recreate GoGo Tomango's makeup look, which I know my hair, at least the style of it is not styled exactly like GoGo's, but I try to make a little bit inspired by using temporary hair like color stuff that you'll see later on in the video. And I am featuring my birthday present I got this year, the BH Cosmetics Zodiac palette. If you guys have not been keeping up with my makeup hauls, and I did feature this in a recent one that also was what I got for my birthday video, because I only got a couple things and I was waiting for this to come in the mail. And I thought this palette was perfect for GoGo's look, because we got a bunch of purples and all that to recreate her look, and also the packaging. I just thought it was so GoGo. But anyways, hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get right to the makeup. To prep my skin, I have to show this product for a minute. This is Touch and Soul No Pore Blem Primer. It's a key beauty product, and it helps smooth pores, and also has a little nice floral scent. And I also thought this suited this GoGo Tomango look. Next, I'm going with a tinted moisturizer for this look from Milani, and it's in the shade Fair Lights, and I'm just buffing that right into my face. And also, GoGo has a lighter skin tone than mine. I meant to put on a little bit of self-tanner on me, but I forgot to do that and all that, so I'm just rocking my normal skin tone. Next, I'm going in with this light concealer shade from my L'Oreal concealer palette, and I'm just applying in areas where I can see the little blemishes I have, and also under my eyes and around the nose area as well. Now I'm going to send the makeup with my favorite translucent powder from NYX. Of course, we gotta prep the eyes for some eyeshadows with some eye primer. I'm using the Pure Cosmetics eye polish in the shade Satin. I'm just using that little applicator right here. I'm just applying it around my eye. Now onto the eyeshadow palette that I got for my birthday this year, the BH Cosmetics Zodiac palette. I'm in love with the shades in the palette. I'm taking the matte shades from the Virgo, Leo, and Pisces section, and I'm just applying that all over my crease with a blending brush. Using the same Virgo matte shade and mixing it with Cancer this time, the matte shade, I'm applying that to my crease. Now using the silver eyeshadow, which is Gemini in the shimmer shade, I'm applying that all over my lids. Now using the Leo and Pisces matte shades again and mixing it with Aries this time, the matte shade obviously, I'm applying that to my bottom lash line, and also to just like packing it into the inner corners of my eyes, and also to the outer corners for some definition. With a black pencil liner, I'm using this to align my top lash line and create a category at the end that's in a downwards motion. I'm also aligning this to my bottom lash line as well. using this essence liner right here. I'm using it to apply it to the inner corners of my eyes to kind of clean it up a little, and also I'm using this to apply it to the brow bone as well. Now I'm filling my brows with this Pixie by Petra Natural Brow Duo, which I already have done because I was filming this on TikTok and I didn't notice I did not film this for YouTube, so I'm just going to set in the brows with this brow gel side. Now I'm going to contour my nose with this Profusion Contour Palette. I'm just applying contour down the sides of my nose and also under the tip. For mascara, I went with the Lorac Coral Treatment Primer Mascara Duo, and you can use false lashes for this look, just use a natural pair of false lashes, but I skipped out on that. Take my cheeks full like Go-Go's. I used Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit in shade Pink Hearts to my cheeks, and then I used Sunrise Serenita, which is a Milani Big Blush, and just applied it to my cheeks. And for lips, I'm lining it with a nude lip liner from Wet n Wild's Perfect Pout Gel Lip Liner in Bear to Comet. I'm just lining my lips and I'm overlaying my top lip a little. And for the actual lip color, I went with Jasmine Lip Bella's Lip Stain in Dollhouse and just applying it to my lips, but any bubblegum pink lip color will do. And now I'm just going to color my hair a little, the L'Oreal Colorista hair makeup, whatever it's called. I'm just adding a purple highlight to my hair. And there's the GoGo Tomango inspired makeup look, and hope you got a good laugh at me trying to blow a bubble. Hope you guys enjoyed this GoGo Tomango look. Please like this video and subscribe. Comment below any other makeup looks you want me to do, especially if it's Disney, because I've been getting a lot of Disney makeup requests recently, especially the ones I've done in the past. I kind of want that I already thought of wanting to update because I was pretty young in them, and the way I did the whole makeup routine was so bad. When I did my brows, I thought they were good though. In my teenage head, I thought they were because I was a young teen at the time when I was doing makeup YouTube videos and all that. But anyways, and also make sure you check out my social medias in the description box, because I keep I meant to bring this up, but I just keep on forgetting. But anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video.